For this topic, we're asked to find mean and median. Now, the mean is the average, where you're going to add up all the numbers and divide by the number of items you have. And your median is your physical center. Only average this if you need to average the two center numbers. If there's just one center or central number, then you just take that central number. All right, and for both of these, you'll see that you're allowed to use the ALEKS calculator. All right, so the first thing I'm going to tell you to do is I'm going to tell you to line them up in order. This will make median far easier. So if we line these up in order, we have, looks like 7 is probably our smallest number. And then it looks like 8. And I'm going to leave a little bit of space just in case I need to put something in between. Looks like next we'll have 10 and 11. And 11 again. 10, 11, 11. And then finally 14 and 15. All right, so now that they're in physical order, from numerical order from least to greatest, what we can do is we can find the median number very easily. We're just going to count the first on each end, and then we have the second on each end, and then we have the third, and then we can clearly see the middle number. Okay, and the middle is also the median. All right, so that's 11, and we'll put 11 into the box to answer our question. Now, if this had been a case of finding the middle would have been maybe the 10 and the 11, then we would have taken them both as the central numbers, and we would have done the average or the mean, which would have given us 10.5. But because this one had a perfect center of the number 11, we don't need to worry about this time. But median could be an average of the two physical central numbers. All right, now for the mean or the average. What we're going to do now is we're going to take each one of these numbers and we're going to add them together. And when we do that, we're going to add them all together. And then we're going to erase this just so you'll be able to better see what I'm doing. There we go. And what I'm doing then is I will divide by, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 items in our list, so I will divide by 7. And again, you can use your ALEKS calculator to figure this out. I'm going to do some quick math. We have 15, 25, 36, 47, 61, 76. So this would be 76 divided by 7. And then you'll see that you round your answer to the nearest tenth. So whatever that answer is, let's check our calculator real quick and see if we can come up with that. 76 divided by 7 is 10.857. Because I need the nearest tenth, I'm going to go to the hundredths place with this. So this is 10.86 or 857 rounded up. I'm going to round to the tenths place. The 6 tells me to round up, so this would be approximately 10.9, and that's the answer that we'll put in here, 10.9.